Hi, this is Dr. Diaz with Momentum Chiropractic and Rehab. Today we have Dr. Jill Diaz in the clinic. She's going to be performing some chiropractic adjustment on children. She actually has a certification through the ICPA for children, also specializes in a Webster technique for pregnant moms. So her specialty is prenatal and pediatric chiropractic. So she's going to be go ahead and showing you some clips of chiropractic examinations and chiropractic adjustments on children.
Perfect, perfect. You're 10? Yeah. Maybe stand, just sit straight up, okay? Any pain with that?
No.
Any pain with that?
No.
Okay, have you lay on your back? All right. Any pain with that? Does it feel tight in the back leg?
Just for
A little bit? All of these are more grown-up things that I'm looking for, but I have to check just in case. Okay? I'm gonna take your shoe off, okay? Okay, take a deep breath in, deep breath out, blow out your breath candles. All right. Okay. Deep breath in, blow out your breath candles. Okay, deep breath in again, blow out your breath candles. All right, flip on over. Just relax for me. Just relax. We're just gonna stretch it real quick. Just relax for me. All right, let me get your knees. Switch bending for me. All right, there you go.